unstoppable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Eindhoven. If you're new here, my name is Tiwa. I am in Eindhoven with my friend Sheila. We arrived this morning so early and we're in a beautiful city. We are currently at the city center and we're just going to look at the city, check the city, find some food to eat, and in the evening we're going to go to Amsterdam where we're going to stay for about 2 days. So stick and stay and let me take you on a journey here.
Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room.
So this is what we're having for breakfast. Magdos with some juice. They're relatively small compared to the ones that I've tried, like their breakfast menus, but yeah. So most of the shops here, like, they open really late, like around 11 a.m. I think 11, I've even said too much, like 12ish. Like everywhere is just closed, and breakfast options, I think it's more personal. If you like coffee and just bread, sandwiches, croissant.
You don't like croissant?
I do, but I feel like breakfast, if you're giving me coffee and croissant, you've done nothing. You know, it should be satisfying. Okay, I'm a breakfast person, so breakfast is like, it should fill me up for the day. I can skip lunch. I can skip lunch because of my breakfast. Yeah, but most of the shops here are closed and we've literally done nothing since we came. We go here around 8. We've done nothing. We were just looking for places to eat and what to do here. But we are not really finding something that like we are interested in and want to do. So we are thinking to go to another city, Utrecht, from here. I mean, it's on the way to Amsterdam and we're already going to Amsterdam anyway. So from here, we'll just go to Utrecht. Then from Utrecht, we go to Amsterdam. So we'll see how it goes, but we're just taking the day slowly. Like, you know, just enjoy the day, enjoy the cities that we find ourselves in. But I don't think we're staying here for long. Like after this, we're just gonna head to Utrecht. So I was literally fascinated by the cycling culture here. Like almost every single person owns a bicycle. Like make it make sense. And then like this place is literally a parking space for bicycles. Like how cool is it?
Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like with the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. So blame me more. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm to my mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, I should they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got a inshallah with them over. Question, but then no get the answer.
It's past 11, almost 12, and we are making our way to Utrecht. We didn't do much in Eindhoven. I mean, we came so early, we just ate, and now we're going to Utrecht. Taking the day slowly. When
you they move, see green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. Last time I see what you do. When we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got to money to anything you wish me.
We are in Utrecht. Yeah, there's much going on here than it was in Eindhoven. And the first thing we got was these fries, like, and it's actually called Mannequin Piss. I was in Brussels some weeks ago, and Mannequin Piss is actually like a statue of a little boy who is pissing in Brussels, and it's interesting to find that here it's a place to find like fish and fries. So I took the fries with some peanut butter, some onions, some mayo. It's just a mixture. It's nice, you know. This is good. With the onions, it gives you some kick, some freshness. Try it, it's really good. Nice, right? And we got the small. And the small looks like a medium or a big, so... What sauce did you get? Mannequin fish. This is good. Let's enjoy our lunch with free soda. Cheers. Yes. We got some fish as well. Like so much. It's okay. It's not my favorite from what we ordered, just the fries, but it's okay.
You dance. You play, I dance. Okay, you dance. I play.
He's gonna dance.
You dance.
If you play good, I will.
I don't play good, but you have to dance.
And you have to give me the rhythm.
What song do you want to listen to?
No problem. Okay. Where are you from? Give me your cultural. Ghana.
I think.
You can try. Yeah. Okay, I'm not good. Are you doing great? You're doing great. You play? I dance with you. Oh, that's what.